One of the things I can't understand is how we've had major accidents happen and we haven't learned from our mistakes. So this is Gary from Refining Community, and I wanted to bring everybody's awareness to fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers are hung, if you'll notice, on a special rack up off the ground, off the grade, away from pockets of water. They're usually inspected by a lot of plants. It's third party, the guards or the safety department. So one of the things that I've been seeing is that some fire extinguishers are left to sit in either dirt, water, on the grade. And the reason this is so important, we had a major fatality. Every fatality is major. At a plant where they charged the fire extinguisher. The bottom had corroded from sitting on the concrete in a wet environment, and when the charge of the CO2 hit, it blew the bottom out and blew it up and broke their neck. So that's a lesson learned that we don't want repeated. So anytime if you see a fire extinguisher sitting on the ground, even temporarily, let's say somebody's doing a weld job and they have a temporary fire extinguisher, it's okay for one day or one shift, but it should be taken away, it should be put away, and the ones that should be in the bracket with the covering on it, that's how they should be. So I think we need to come back to our basics when it comes to fire extinguishers.